Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. All of you will be thinking, is ICA mock test really useful? And in my student days, everybody told me that from this ICA mock test, at least 20 marks will come to the main exam. Now, I have four different types of people. I just want to talk about them and let me know if you are one of them in the comments below. The first one, you have already registered for the mock test and you are writing the mock test. And I'm sure many of you all watching will be in the second bucket, that you do not want to write because you feel that you are not ready to go and write the mock test. Or you're not even caring and not even planning to write the mock test. Or you're writing some other mock test, you've registered in some other test series and that is going on well for you all. Now, I have a kutti story for you before I tell you whether it is useful, whether marks will come in the final exam and all of those things. Just a kutti story. Now, if you're going to trek for the Himalayas, I have done few treks in the Himalayas, and if I want to go there, vigorous preparation is a compulsory thing. And they will be asking how many kilometers can you jog in a span of 30 minutes, and they will want you to do at least 5 kilometers for you to comfortably finish the trek. And apart from that, you need to buy your gears, you need to get your jackets, your thermal wears and all of those things. And like I told you, this preparation is the most important part. At least for 1 month before the trek, that preparation is compulsory, guys. Whether you're doing step count or whether you're doing stair climbing, any which way, 1 month of vigorous preparation is compulsory. If you do that preparation, are you not going to struggle? No. You are definitely going to struggle, but you know how to manage that struggle. For people thinking ICA is simply conducting for time pass, they want extra money. You really think ICA is doing this for money? ICA will collect money from many other ways from you. Exam fees, books, like that, many other ways is there. Mock test, I am telling you, is definitely not one of them. It is basically to educate you all to practice. Like how in school, before you went and faced the giant board exam, you actually did a lot of exams and pre-boards, mock test, full 100 marks, as if you were writing that board exams. You had that pre-board. Something similar you have to do for this exam as well. If you feel there is no time or preparation time is not sufficient, I urge you to write at least one practical and one theory subject for your practice. Compulsory guys. Either with ICA, or if you feel ICA is conducting too early, there are so many other test series in different parts of states in India. Any of the test series you can write. From our side, the option which we have is Dira test. Quickly showing you the website of Dira test. Here, affordable prices, just 150 rupees for the mock test, whether you are a foundation student or an inter student. Please, I urge you to write any mock test before you go for the final exam. It is extremely important, guys. And here in Dira test, you will be getting the evaluated answer sheet within 4 to 5 days or maximum 1 week. You will definitely get the evaluated answer sheet along with the feedback for improvement. So hope that helps, and I hope you write any of the mock tests of your choice, but compulsorily only practice and then go and face the giant exams. All the very best, guys.